5G single bell positioning work card is a portable wearable positioning terminal independently developed by Huixing Zhikong. The work card can be equipped with 3 communication modes, supporting the optional 5G or 4G communication mode, as well as the optional LoRa communication mode. The work card supports the single bell RTK positioning mode, with a positioning accuracy of up to sub-meter level. It also supports the optional UWB and Bluetooth positioning, enabling seamless switching between indoor and outdoor positioning modes. The work card is equipped with an SOS one-button emergency call function, and TTS voice communication. In case of danger, it can alarm with one button, and the management platform can send TTS voice communication. The work card supports providing API interfaces for secondary development, and also supports OEM cooperation. Next, let's watch the case video demonstration. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.